Hello everyone, I am Dr. Lakshman Kolluru, Consultant Interventional Cardiologist from KIMS Hospitals, Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. Today we joined in CSI NIC 2023 under the session of Nightmares. We as a team from KIMS Hospitals, Rajahmundry, under the leadership of Dr. N.S. Ramaraju, presented a case series of managing distal coronary perforation by using some indigenous techniques such as using autologous fat particles and fragmented balloon particles. Our purpose of this presentation is, compared to the conventional techniques like gel form or PVC particles, this is very innovative and which is readily available in any small center, any cath lab. The balloon particles are prepared from the conventional balloons which are readily available in any cath lab, and sometimes we can also use this fat which can be extracted from the groin area of the patient. So these particles, either the fat or the fragmented balloon particles, we extract this and we deliver it at the site of distal coronary perforation. Distal coronary perforations, though uncommon, but with the increasing use of this complex PCIs, sometimes it can be encountered and sometimes it can be lethal. So by using these conventional indigenous techniques of fragmented balloon particles and autologous fat, we can prevent this dreadful complication. Thank you.